Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many developers face when working with APIS bad requests. Entity only allows writes with a JSON Content Type header. If you've ever encountered this error message, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand what's causing this error and how to fix it. When building web applications, APIS are often used to communicate between the client side and server side. However, when sending data to an API endpoint, we need to ensure that our request is formatted correctly. This is where content types come in. They tell the server what type of data we're sending. But sometimes, even with a well-structured request, we might receive this bad request error message. In this video, we'll break down what's happening behind the scenes and provide a step-by-step guide on how to resolve this issue. So, let's dive into the explanation. When an API endpoint is designed to accept data, it expects that data to be in a specific format, usually JSON, JavaScript object notation. The content type header in our request tells the server what type of data we're sending. However, if this header is missing or set incorrectly, the server might not understand our request and throw an error. The key here is understanding that some APIs are more strict than others when it comes to accepting data. In this case, the API endpoint is only allowing writes with a JSON content type header. This means we need to explicitly specify in our request that the data we're sending is indeed JSON. Think of it like sending a package. You need to label it correctly so that the recipient knows what's inside and can handle it accordingly. Without this label, content type header, the server doesn't know how to process your request, hence the error. So, how do we fix this? The solution is straightforward. We need to ensure our request includes a content type header set to applications on. This tells the server that our data is in JSON format, and it should be processed as such. To make things clearer, let's consider an analogy. Imagine you're at a restaurant, and you order food. If you don't specify how you want your eggs, scrambled, fried, etc., the chef won't know what to do. Similarly, when sending data to an API, we need to order it correctly by specifying its type. The bad request entity only allows writes with a JSON content type header error occurs because the server expects JSON data but doesn't receive it or can't understand what's being sent. To fix this, ensure your request includes a content type header set to applications endpoint. This labels your data as JSON so the server can process it correctly. That's it for today's video on resolving the bad request entity only allows writes with a JSON content type header error. If you found this explanation helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content aimed at helping you overcome common development hurdles. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos, leave them in the comments below. Remember, understanding the basics of API communication can significantly enhance your web development journey. Thanks for watching.